Hi, in Crochet Smash we are going to make a small project with a basic stitch like I will show you how to make the basic chains and how to do maybe single crochet. Okay, today we will do the single crochet. Then this is more easier. Hold it like this, then pull this one. You have a slip knot on the on your hook, then make do it smaller, so make it like a 10. 1 2 7 8 9 10. Make one more, 11. So now we turn not this chain, the next one. That's the turning chain. This is 1 2 3 4 10. So we got 10 single crochet. One chain. Turn your work. 1 2 3 4 9 10. Now I'm going to show you how to change the color so you can make something with a different color. So undo the last chain, just do it only half this, then add the new chain, a new color here. See here, just like pull through 2 loops and tighten this one. Now we are making the turning chain. 1 here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Turning chain. 1 2 3 4 5. I got everything together. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So finish with the new color, then chain 1. Now we make the first single crochet right here. 1 2 2 5 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's very important to have the same number of chains in each one. 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To keep going, you can add a new color. You can do whatever you want your design to be. So, let's start with here. Just for this one. Maybe do it. Now take the yarn needle. You can leave in all ends. Just make sure. If you can, just get those few strands of the yarn you're working with and go like this. It will make it stable, not unraveling. You can go back and forth actually. Put the lipstick out. Give it all of the yarn. Stick it back in. This is baby yarn, just a bit softer.
That is how we do single crochet.